Alright, silly people, here's the situation. Uh, I'm covering the Mark Newman book on computational physics right now. And of course, with any computational, sort of coding textbook, there's going to be some stuff in there that's deprecated. Uh, the book was written in an older version of Python, uh, and then there's some packages in there that are outdated, deprecated, and a lot of times no longer in use. And one of those, it's referenced in the book, and it's called Visual. Uh, it has since been renamed VPython, and VPython is a really kind of terrible package overall, right? I've had experience with it just from making codes in it uh, for my classes, um, and once I'd made like a project in it that was kind of uh, just kind of terrible, but it was fun to do anyway. For the sake of completion of the book, I will be covering, or I'm going to try to cover, the VPython questions that are in Mark Newman's computational physics textbook. Um, Even though I hope to goodness if you're taking a class that covers this textbook that uh, your professor does not actually assign these problems, because it is really a frustrating program to run. I'll say that right now I'm installing it onto my Microsoft machine. Um, I think it actually finished installing just now. Um, and so, really, Microsoft Windows is the only environment that I've gotten VPython to work in, just by using the Anaconda like package installer, and then going into the prompt and typing pip install VPython um, should get it to install. And then it only even when you get that, it should only really work if you're using like the most basic code writing piece of software that is included in the Anaconda package, um, to actually get it to work, because I don't know, this program is a real beast to deal with. Um, and you know, VPython is like the only reason that I still even have a Microsoft machine at this point, because Windows is just a terrible operating system that's full of spyware, and uh, every update that they release removes more features and customization, um, and also like they will just ruin all of your data infrastructure by putting it all on OneDrive for no reason. Uh, the CEO probably was on the Epstein list, but that's not really here or there. Terrible operating system, and I would probably be switching over to Linux as soon as I'm done recording these VPython videos, because I haven't gotten Linux to run VPython or Mac to run VPython, despite trying multiple times over the years. But yeah, I'm gonna go record a few more Mark Newman videos uh, over VPython specifically, uh, and then after that, who knows? I'll probably get back to working it all on Google Colab, as I have been doing. So stay tuned for that. See ya.